Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. Then log into your Facebook account. On the home page, tap the three-line icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now you can see many options that are available on the screen from where you have to choose gaming. As you can see here, the top option here is gaming, so I'm going to tap on gaming. Now there are many gaming options available, so choose the game you like to play. So this is how you can play games on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.